Welcome. In this video, we'll explain generative AI, agentic AI, and AI agents in simple terms for beginners. Artificial intelligence, or AI, started as systems that followed strict rules, like very smart calculators. But soon, AI learned to spot patterns in data and make decisions. This led to generative and agentic AI. Generative AI creates things, like text, images, or music, based on what it has learned. Agentic AI, on the other hand, can make plans and take actions to reach a goal. And AI agents combine both, creating and acting to solve real-world problems. What's the difference between generative and agentic AI? Think output versus outcome. Generative AI takes a prompt and returns an output. It's a one-way street. You ask, it answers, and its job is done. Agentic AI is a doer. Give it a goal, like book the best flight. And it can navigate websites, compare prices, and complete the booking autonomously. The key difference is autonomy. While generative AI is passive, an AI agent is designed to act, adapt, and react in dynamic environments to complete its mission. In short, generative AI creates, agentic AI acts. Strengths are creativity versus autonomy. Tools include ChatGPT versus LangChain. So, what are some of these tools in action? You've probably used generative AI without even knowing it. The most famous examples are large language models, or LLMs, OpenAI's ChatGPT, and Google's Gemini. They understand and generate text. You can ask them to write an email, summarize a long article, or help you code. Then there are image generators, DALL-E and MidJourney, that turn prompts, like an astronaut riding a horse on Mars, into stunning images in seconds. These tools are changing creative industries, marketing, and design. They create something new from a prompt. A student can learn with ChatGPT, then generate diagrams in DALL-E. A marketing team can draft slogans with an LLM, then create visuals with MidJourney. Now the Agentic AI toolbox, less famous, but very powerful. Frameworks like LangChain and Llama Index connect a powerful brain, and LLM, to tools and data. Platforms like Auto-GPT and N8N let you build automated workflows. Jasper started as a generative writing assistant and is adding agentic features. Example: an N8N agent watches email for invoices, extracts key details, and adds them to a spreadsheet, like a personal assistant for digital chores. So, what makes an AI agent an agent? Well, it's not just one piece of technology, it's a team of abilities. Reasoning, the brain. Planning, the map. Action, the hands. At the heart is a powerful reasoning engine, often a large language model like the one that powers ChatGPT. It understands complex, open-ended goals. This is the reasoning step. Then it plans like a project manager, budget, search cabins, find trails, check weather, present options. Finally, action. It uses tools, the web, your calendar, email, or internal software, to execute. It performs an action, observes the result, and decides what to do next. In healthcare, an agent can manage patient discharge, verify doctor's order, schedule follow-ups, confirm prescriptions, arrange transport, and update the EHR. In banking, agents can analyze trends, rebalance portfolios, and flag fraudulent transactions in real time. The future integrates generative creativity with agentic action. Agents that both create and execute. We need robust safety systems, clear accountability, and transparent explainability to ensure these tools benefit humanity. Generative AI creates, agentic AI acts. AI agents combine both to solve problems. The journey is just beginning. Consider the universe of possibilities.